Hey guys, I found something very interesting on Amazon. It's a recording of guard dogs barking. I don't know if you could see my computer screen, but it's I'll put the link down below, but if you order the audio CD of the dogs barking, it's $9.98, which is quite expensive, I think. But you could also, for 99 cents, download the MP3. Now that's what I did. I downloaded the MP3 for 99 cents, and it's not only on my computer, but it's also, I also burned it on a CD. So basically, you could play this track basically in your car, in your home, to scare off intruders or somebody knocking on your door that you don't know. And I'll put the link down below, but let me give you a hearing. Hold on. A listening to what it sounds like. Hold on. And I believe it runs. You could have it to run endlessly, loop it. But here's a clip of what it's going to sound like. Okay, I shut it off. But you get the picture. Let me get out of this here. You get the picture, guys. And for the price, 99 cents, and I'll put the link down below, you could get this audio MP3 stream for 99 cents. Download it onto your laptop or your computer, and you could play it off your computer speakers, or you could make a CD copy and play it off a boombox. So guys, for 99 cents, and once again I'll put the link down below, go to Amazon, and instead of paying $9.98 for the audio CD, which they'll mail to you, get the MP3 and download it for 99 cents. And this is a great security measure at home, in your car, in your RV. This thing will scare off intruders that are lurking around your front door or around your RV. So anyways, I'm not making money off this. I'm not associated with Amazon anymore. But this is just for your own knowledge and protection. Okay guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.